10-year-old boy for Edo State. They don't arrest him. And according to matter wey reach me, they say this boy in senior brother, now they teach him how to shoot gun. They go operations together. They don't kill people. In fact, my mouth say, now it started close. 10-year-old. Abeg, now why I bring this matter for now we no know. Say now they know they use the old ones again. They like them young, so I don't bring her for on a screen. Join me, make we listen to the boy.
What will be your name? Talk, come out. Mode waiting. Amoroyi. How many robbery you don't follow them go?
4.
How many people una don kill? 2. Yes. For where? Name them.
One for Silo Road, one for Igbo Market.
You say your brother? Eh?
Yes.
2 police gun dey with him?
Yes.
Which station una collect the gun?
Oba Market.
Oba Market. If una rob finish, where una dey go sit down, where una dey gather share money?
Third for cartel.
Third for cartel.
Yes.
That your brother now, if we want see him, when we will take see him?
We go there the money, we'll face him. We go there around 8 today, we'll face him.
See this small rat. Also, know we've killed 2. We've small boy like this. See as they talk with confidence, like say he don't dey inside this business for like 25 years ago. 10 years. Hey. I don't even know who to fear again for this world. Because before, if we want fear, now those people were big, huge, they carry 6 packs and all those things. Now see am. This one now you go see him for road, you go even dash her money. No, say this one. If he sell you, sell your family, sell your destiny, everything together. Where will they go for this country? Tori or long? Where will they go? Because hey, now wow. Nowadays, the kind of things will just they happen. If you know they are alert, now so see, person like this, we just kill you for road, you no go know. You go take a license now one of those small children. Now, many people just they talk. Now, for this matter, everybody don't they bring your own idea. May they arrest them. May they do this one. Some say may they carry and go rehabilitation. Rehabilitation. Because not be my language. You understand? Now, my question for now. Where they talk say may they rehabilitate this guy. I beg. He's too young to go to prison, but he's not too young to shoot. No, I dey try understand. Because una way they talk say make they no arrest him. How una dey sure say if they no arrest this small boy, he no go do more damage than the one way he already do? How una dey sure? Na the question. Because if una wan carry and go rehabilitation, no be the problem. As long as say una dey sure say this boy, because now we dey try provide security. No, we no dey try make matter worse. So if na prison, this boy go. Where it go reduce this thing. Me, I don't know. Before I go to say, hey, I don't condemn person. Because now for this age, they start. Before you know, now they don't turn to beast. You know, go even feel control them. This one, imagine this age, you know, even feel controller. Now when he reach 18, swagger along mama. In fact, he go don't start. That one he go even the enter also rock. Expert. I don't know, but if you ask me, this one made a start from him brother. They need arrest him brother. I don't understand. I beg, una we get siblings like younger ones. Una they think of una self at all. The one way me I know, senior sisters and brothers where they do bad things, they not even they allow the younger ones to know. They go just do their thing as long as they provide food, you understand? But this one, you even they carry the boy, enter the business. There is fire on the mountain. And as it be like this, I'm not even sure say these police people they go on here rehabilitation for this Nigeria where we dey. I be another Nigeria day. This one way as we dey like this now, this our country law not dey again. They don't shift all the laws. So they wonder how una they expect when they carry this boy go rehabilitation. It is pain, no. It is very painful, when una they see person like this. This boy now, if he get one bright future. Now why always they come back to the same matter? If you no get money, no born. No born. Una think I just they talk this thing because I want talk. No born. Nobody send you message. Before you go just dey pour them outside, they no go get future, they no go get education. Now just to dey cause problem again to the society. Already Nigeria don't get problems. Una go born pikin now, come add the problem to the one way we dey try settle. I no just dey understand some women sometimes. I no just dey understand. And this one too, government too carry put inside. First of all, this boy, first of all, make una listen to me well. He suppose dey school. He suppose dey in mama house. For una wey go dey argue now, how come this boy dey outside? The senior brother too, lack of job. Now government wahala be that. Lack of job. Government, if you dey provide job for people, at least the level of insecurity, level of criminals, level of all those bad things, if you don't reduce by now, una think say Nigeria fit change? Una think say Nigeria with the things wey we dey see, una think say e fit change? Government even make the things worse, even they increase. In fact, see, they don't increase fuel. Salary now, they still dey below minimum wage. Cost of living still dey high. Many things. And una dey expect make the country dey okay. At least provide jobs for people. See, their children dey abroad. Oh. Their children dey abroad. For una wey dey relax. Una see say we dey fight this matter, una think say we dey jobless. Their children dey abroad, they no dey bother. But yeah, all of una politicians, I just want to remind una one small thing. Just small reminder. Make una no forget say Kama know the address of una house. And he go come locate una very soon. Very soon. All these children that have gone astray, all the lives that have been lost, all the bloods that have been shed, they go soon come back to una head, they cry. There is no peace and no rest for the wicked. Una go soon jama. You understand? My people, now the matter be this. Una don't hear this small boy. Wetin una think say suppose happen now? Na rehabilitation, abi na prison? Na question wey me I bring for una. Because if I take my own decision without una, it go be somehow. So I wan know wetin una think. Make they carry am go prison for this age, 10 years. Abi make they carry am go rehabilitation. Some people say e fit change, some people say e no go change. And as for the brother, that one I no even need any question. That one na prison straight, because you no get right. Already on your own, you be criminal. You can't include another person underage. So na straight prison, straight tickets, no time. You understand? So I wan know wetin una think concerning this case. Drop am for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, wetin you dey wait for? Just click on that thing, you understand? Support your girl na. And share this video, make everybody know wetin dey happen. Stay tuned for our next story.